Today we're going to do a portfolio update video, but before we do that, if you're new here and you never see my channel, my name's Elliot and I upload videos about investing, the stock market, and I do portfolio update videos just like this one. So if that's something you enjoy, please consider subscribing. I upload videos just like this every 2 weeks. So my phone should be coming up right about now, and looking down at the 1 week, I'm up $222.80 or 3.61%. 1 month, I'm up $142.04 or 2.27%. 3-month chart, I'm up $288.85 or 4.72%. Year to date, I'm up $976.46 or 17.99%. 1 year, I'm up $1,327.87 or 26.16%. And all time, I'm up $2,351.09 or 58.02%. Going down to the stocks I own. First up is Apple. I have 5 shares. Average cost is $85.86. I'm up $687.66 or 158%. Looking at the year to date, they're up almost 19%, so Apple has done very well this year. And I'm a big consumer of Apple. I love all their products, iPhones, iPads, and this is a stock that I dollar cost average into every single month. Even if it's smaller amounts, I just want to stay very consistent with it. After Apple, we have Microsoft. I have 1 share. Average cost is $185.86. I'm up $305.65 or 131%. Year to date, they're up just over 15%. And one thing I like about Microsoft and Apple is their dividend yield. They both have lower dividend yields, but they have plenty of room to grow them in the future if they want to. After Microsoft, we have Amazon. I have 2 shares. Average cost is $110.92. I'm up $165.73 or 67%. Year to date, they're up almost 23%, so Amazon has done very well this year. United Health. I have 0.67 shares. Average cost is $510. I'm up $56.82 or 16%. Next up is Visa. I have 1 share. Average cost is $235.43. I'm up $78.65 or 21%. And this is a stock that I've been dollar cost averaging into a lot more. You can see I have 1.52 shares. I'm really trying to get that to a solid 2 shares before the end of the year. So hopefully we'll get there. After Visa, we have Starbucks. I have 3 shares. Average cost is $78.60. I'm up $60.71 or 25%. And of course, I'm buying Starbucks for that dividend yield, that 2.31% dividend yield. And I actually did pick up another share recently. Looking at the year-to-date chart, they fell down to around $72, $73. So I thought that was a good time to kind of average down my cost. So I did pick up a share. After Starbucks is Waste Management. I have 1 share. Average cost is $105.88. I'm up $117.75 or 96%. Next up is Coca-Cola. I have 3 shares. Average cost is $50.39. I'm up $71.43 or 42%. And of course, I'm buying Coca-Cola for that dividend yield, 2.65%. Next up, we have Pepsi, another great dividend stock. I have 1 share. Average cost is $175.73. I'm up $1.70. I'm not even up a full percent yet. After Pepsi is Fastenal. I have 2 shares. Average cost is $45.75. I'm up $53.99 or 52%. Year to date, they're up almost 9%. After Fastenal, we have Bank of America. I have 4 shares. Average cost is $26.26. I'm up $50.23 or 46%. Looking at their year to date, they're up almost 16%. Next up is AbbVie. I have 2 shares. Average cost is $138.87. I'm up $115.84 or 39%. And if you're enjoying the video so far, please take the time to give it a like. Doing so really helps out the channel. Next up is Abbott. I have 1 share. Average cost is $102.24. I'm up $14.59 or 13%. Looking at their year to date, they're up 6%, getting close to 7%, so not doing too bad. American Water. I have 2 shares. Average cost is $140.27. I'm up $16.41 or 5%. Year to date, they're getting close to 13%. Next up is VanEck Semiconductor ETF. Year to date, they're up almost 38%. I have 2 shares. Average cost is $158.94. I'm up $157.76 or 48%. And this is an ETF that I dollar cost average into every single month as well. I really like this ETF. If you scroll down to their holdings, you can see NVIDIA, AMD, all big players. And I'm very bullish on this industry. Next is Vanguard's High Dividend Yield ETF. I have 1 share. Average cost is $107.07. I'm up $21.65 or 17%. Year to date, they're up getting close to 14%. And the Vanguard S&P 500 ETF. I have 1 share. Average cost is $357.99. I'm up $220.30 or 44%. And this is an ETF that I dollar cost average into every single month as well. Even if that's smaller amounts, I stay consistent with this. Looking at the year to date, they're up 19%, not too far off from 20%. And that is the last stock that I own. So if you enjoyed the video, please make sure to give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and let me know in the comments below what's your thoughts on my portfolio. And we'll see you next time.